With women, it's like common for us to be disregarded because of our emotions. Important qualities to look for in a provider is someone that wants to give you the time of day. Once we got an answer that I had endometriosis, she said, we're gonna be good friends. From the moment I walked in with the medical assistant to the minute I got back to the room with the actual doctor, I felt seen. They didn't let me go home until they knew what was going on. They ran every test in the book that they could. As a woman, that's reassuring to know that you have this safe space to come to when you need care.
I was 24 weeks pregnant with twins, and I had to really decide if I was going to terminate one or not. At the time that I needed it most, I felt like my doctor was there for me. I wasn't only taken care of, in the medical sense, but even more than that, she connected with me in spirituality and just helped me, get through some of the worst days and times that we encountered. The day that I learned my daughter had passed, and it was very emotional, and she came in and it was pouring rain outside, and she said something that just at the worst time in my life warmed my heart. She was like, the heavens are opening because it's pouring, it's raining outside, and that means that Olivia's, going to heaven. She finally gave me some ability to see a path forward. I learned that I was pregnant again with twins, and it was very overwhelming. Had a lot of emotions, and my physician who was there with me through my first journey, really just helped me through processing, just acknowledging my past experience and how difficult that was, but also creating a new path for me. So she just, really gave me what I needed in that time.
I was trying to have my children. It took 8 years to get me to motherhood. It was a trial of why I was taking so long to conceive, and not knowing that the underlying cause was my thyroid. Making the switch to an HMH endocrinology group was eye-opening. When you spoke to the endocrinologist, they heard your story. It was an eye-to-eye conversation, not looking at a paper or looking at their screen. From the minute you walked in to the office, you're greeted in a different way, as if you're part of the family, even though you're a first-time patient. Being heard, being seen, it empowered me to not give up on my dream. It has given me a positive outlook on not only my future, but the future of my children.
I think that HMH has done their homework with me, my wife as well. It's amazing to actually know that they care that much to make sure that I feel comfortable.
They're interested in what I have to say. They listen to me when I have a problem, and I express it. I ask them questions, and they answer.
It's always been a good experience regarding the transparency and staying updated and keeping up with the patients and keeping up with checking in even.
Knowing that the providers see me as a person, I felt safe. I felt cared for.